Anhui made intelligent equipment called Limited. 15 years of premium service, unlocking broader market prospects. Since its inception, Anhui made intelligent equipment called Limited has consistently adhered to an innovation-driven development philosophy, dedicating itself to decultivation in the field of intelligent equipment. With keen market insights, the company accurately identified industry trends and established a core development direction focused on R&D and production of high-end intelligence.